Martin has 9 cards. There is a number on each card. Martin takes at random 2 of the cards. He works out the product of the numbers on the 2 cards. Work out the probability that the product is an even number. And for this one, what we start with is the total number of ways he can pick the 2 cards at random. So 2 cards can be picked in total number of ways in which 2 cards can be taken equals to the first card can be taken in 9 ways, and the second card can be taken. 1 card has already been taken. There are 8 left, so 8 ways. So 9 times 8 ways, that is 72 ways. So next, the cards that he has picked, they are even and odd. They're either an even number or an odd number, and so he would multiply out the 2 numbers. And what is the probability that the product is an even number? So if he has taken an odd card, so odd times an even should always give you an even number. As you can see, 2 times 4 is 8, or 2 times 8 is 16. Sorry, that's that's even. So if you have 1 times even, so 1 times 4, odd times even, so 1 times 4 is 4, or whatever, like 7 times 4, if you did it, get 28. So odd multiplied by even is even. And also, if you had an even card, if he had an even card, times even would also be even. So 8 times 6 is 48, and the 9, not 9, 8 times 4 is 32, or you can take 4 times 2 is 8. So any even times even should give you even, and odd times even is even. So both are giving him an even number. Now the other thing is, how does he get an odd number? The only way he gets an odd number is odd times odd, and that's not what we're interested in. But it is important, I think, because if we can work out the probability of odd number of the product being odd, then 1 minus the probability of odd would be even. So probability of 1, so 1 minus the probability of the product being odd would equal the probability of it being even. So if we use this in our in the calculation, it would help. So I would have to work out what's the probability of odd, which is quite easy because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 odd numbers. So it would be the 2 cards. The first card is odd, would be 5 ways for it to be odd. So 5 times, next is 4, the next one, and then the total number of ways is 72. So that would be 20 out of 72. So now, therefore, the probability that the product is even would be 1 minus 20 out of 72, and that is 72 minus 20. That is 52 out of 72, and you can simplify this to get 4 times 13 is 52, 4 times 18 is 72. So 13 out of 18, and that's the answer.